my gosh, I'm so excited.
Happy birthday,
You guys did it right because we
What are you looking forward for today's Lazada's birthday sale?
Maybe something running related?
You just ran, no?
Mga 10K.
What's your tips para sa mga runners out there?
Slower pacing.
New running watch, I guess, for 22 sale. Mag-sale yung creatine. Tsaka sinabi ni Sir Kirk Mugen, it is one of the most research-based supplement. Kaya kung ikaw, pag nag-sale yung creatine, pili ka na.
Hey, okay.
I just need stuff for content. New shirts for content. I gotta flex this up.
Is this possible?
Obviously, for training, I need essentials like protein, creatine, BCAAs. Also, I'm a data 3, so I have nappies, I have wipes. Looking forward to some special discounts and some good deals on those items.
Ano yung nililook forward nyo sa Lazada birthday sale today?
Siyempre makita yung Chinito Walkers.
Chinita Walkers.
I'm most happy na nakapag-break ka ng world record. Imagine yun, guys. First attempt na nakapag-world record na tayo. How did you guys prepare for this Lazada Wellness Run?
Gumising ako maaga din. Prepare ko yung mental ko.
Running essential na gagamitin ko.
Nag-carb loading ako kagabi.
Nag-pray muna ako. Bananas and 3 eggs. So,
That's our boy rider!
let's go!
So, sobrang tangkad na lang. Kunti na lang sa sa'yo. Not to flex pero best friend ko to from high school. Oh.
20 seconds.
Tama yan, Aaron. Future Mark Mugen Olympian, guys.
Last game, last game. Thank you, thank you. Bilisan mo, bilisan mo. Grabe bro, sinacrifice mo watch.
Grabe, napakagod kami guys.
Pero okay lang, sobrang saya ng Lazada ng Wellness Fest.
At huwag niyo kakalimutan mag-check out this Lazada birthday sale on March 24.
Simula 8 PM yan hanggang March 27.
At pwede kayo makakuha ng Lazada vouchers for up to 2,000 pesos off.
At 90% off for last flash deals.
Happy birthday, Lazada!
Birthday! Let's go!